Hello, today I've got something that's really exciting. Been working on the control mechanisms for the Hulking Dynamo power armor. You can see I'm just using a single car battery, only at 12 volts, so it's not going to be moving exactly fast. And to control it, I have a simple little mechanism here, which is just a pair of double pole, double throw switches hooked onto a little traversing XY table. So when I move the table one way, there go the linear actuators. So you can see, with a couple little modifications, depending where you put this thing, you can use your foot to, yes, by moving your foot, you can control various positions of the leg. And actually, these are not hooked up to the linear actuators I'm planning them to be. This is just for demonstration purposes. Ideally, this little table would be hooked up to the knee and the lateral extension linear actuator. So when you push the table forward, it would instead bring the knee forward. And when you push the table to the side, it would extend the leg outwards to the side. And these two would actually be controlled by a pair of double pole, double throw switches right here, which you would tilt your foot to one side or the other, which would move the hip joint, which I just demonstrated. I'll probably be building my own custom lithium battery pack, because car batteries, even though they provide a lot of power, they're just too heavy. So, properly arrange the control mechanisms, build a battery pack, build more actual power armor, and we'll see where it goes. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and keep using junk in new and interesting ways. Bye-bye.